Resonance. Resonance occurs when two bodies have natural frequencies that match, resulting in a significant increase in the amplitude of vibrations. It is a special case of forced vibrations. In resonance, an external force applied to a body equal to its natural frequency, causing the body to easily absorb the vibrations and vibrate with a greater amplitude. Experiment on resonance. I place two tuning forks, A and B, with the same frequency, on sound boxes so that their open ends face each other. Suspend a pith ball from a hook mounted on a stand, allowing it to touch one of the prongs of tuning fork B. Strike the prong of tuning fork A with a rubber hammer. The pith ball will start moving outward, demonstrating that tuning fork B is also vibrating. The observation is due to the fact that the frequency of the force applied by A corresponds to that of B, causing both to vibrate under resonance. 2. Another experiment involves stretching a thin copper wire between 2 points and hanging 4 pendulums, A, B, C, and D, from it. Pendulums A and C have equal lengths, while B is longer and D is shorter. When pendulum A is set in motion, the following is observed. A. All pendulums start oscillating. B. Pendulums A and C oscillate with a larger amplitude and are in same phase. C. Pendulums B and D oscillate with a smaller amplitude and are out of phase with respect A and C. The observations suggest that pendulums A and C are in resonance because they have equal lengths, leading to the same time period and frequency. On the other hand, pendulums B and D exhibit forced vibrations as their time periods and frequencies do not align with those of A and C. Conditions for the phenomenon of resonance. 1. The natural frequency of the non-vibrating body must be equal to or an integral multiple of the frequency of the vibrating body for resonance to occur. 2. The vibrating body must apply enough force to induce vibrations in the other body. Examples of resonance. 1. Motorcycles can experience violent vibrations at certain speeds when the natural frequency of the frame matches that of the engine's piston, causing resonance. Similarly, some railway compartments produce excessive noise due to resonance with the train's motion. 2. Wine glasses or cutlery can start vibrating when a specific musical note is played because their natural frequency matches that of the note. 3. Tuning forks mounted on sound boxes can create loud sounds due to resonance, as the size and air content of the box are adjusted to match the tuning fork's frequency. 4. Soldiers are instructed to break their step while crossing a bridge to avoid potential collapse caused by resonance between the bridge's natural frequency and the soldier's marching frequency. 5. Certain toys use resonance to operate. For example, a toy may vibrate in response to specific whistle notes, causing it to move or make sounds. 6. Wind or vehicles moving across a bridge can induce vibrations in the structure. These vibrations occur because the dynamic forces from wind or moving loads cause the bridge to oscillate. In most cases, these vibrations are relatively minor and do not pose a significant threat to the bridge's integrity. However, under certain conditions, these vibrations can lead to resonance, a phenomenon where the frequency of the induced vibrations matches the natural frequency of the bridge. When resonance occurs, the amplitude of the vibrations can increase dramatically. 7. Resonance occurs not only in sound waves but also in electromagnetic waves like radio and microwaves. When a radio station broadcasts at a particular frequency, the waves are received by an antenna, which vibrates in resonance. Tuning a radio to the station's frequency amplifies these signals, allowing sound to be heard.